Well, so we thought these were both modded, but look at this one. This one's still original.
And it has the original US doors.
But I don't know if it's going to last much longer. It may be getting modernized soon.
I think it will be.
Yep.
Oh, and it has the bumpers. Nice. Oh, these are cool. Well, this one's cool. So same cab as the other one.
Yeah.
We get that side first.
All right. Send her down to one.
These were so common back in Arizona.
Mm-hmm.
The switch sides.
Yep. Send her up to 3.
Let's go back to 1.
Ooh, instant door close.
Nice.
Of course, I got Hanny with me here.
Hello.
Glad this one's still original.
Oh, same here. There it goes. That's it.
Cool.
Cool.